Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is MOHUA launches 10th Swachh Survekshan. Swachh Survekshan, which is also called as SS, the short form, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey, completes a decade. SS is not just an annual survey but a powerful management tool. With an aim to build garbage free cities, it is catalyzing change. This year, the theme for Swachh Survekshan is Swachhata ki Nai Pehal, Badai Hath, Kare Safai Saath. All states and urban local bodies, including municipal commissioners and other state representatives, participated in the launch virtually, fostering a healthy competition among cities. Swachh Survekshan has defined the matrix for Swachhata. It has helped in benchmarking of assessment parameters, creating roadmap for Swachh Shehar steps and components to become a Swachh Shehar and ultimately enabling cleaner cities through on-ground visible Swachhata. Over the past 10 years, Swachh Survekshan has stood as a remarkable testament to collaboration and collective responsibility, reflecting the nation's commitment to making cleanliness a way of life, truly reflecting Swabhav Swachhata Sanskar Swachhata. From 73 ULBs in 2016 to assessing 4,900 UBLs in 2024, SS has been inspiring cities to raise sanitation standards and deliver quality services to their citizens. Over the years, citizens' voice has become a strong tool for assessment in Swachh Survekshan. SS has consistently reflected the strength of citizens' perception and engagement with Swachhata, especially visible cleanliness. Further amplifying this, the 2025-26 toolkit has been designed to give citizens' opinions greater power and weightage. Starting this year, citizens will be able to share feedback round the year through multiple platforms, including the Vote for My City app and portal, My Government app, Swachhata app, and QR codes. The citizen validation weightage has been increased considerably. Swachh Survekshan has been assessing Ganga towns as part of its urban cleanliness framework. Expanding its scope, the assessment will now include river towns across the country. A separate matrix has been introduced for coastal areas to bring it under the Swachh Survekshan ambit. MOHUA launched the largest time-bound and structured mentorship framework in urban waste management mentorship program under SBMU Swachh Shehar Jodi in September 2025. 72 mentors and 200 mentee cities signed MOUs to foster knowledge transfer, peer learning, and replication of best practices. To strengthen mentorship and peer learning, a new award category has been introduced to recognize Swachh Shehar Jodis based on the average score of Jodis, the recognition across each population category. To reinforce quality assurance and institutionalize strong feedback and grievance redressal, Swachh Survekshan has introduced a tightly monitored protocol-driven assessment framework. A national oversight team anchors the process, complemented for the first time by a dedicated single point of contact in charge for each state and union territories. Over 3,000 trainee field assessors from across the country will conduct a 45-day on-ground survey covering all ULBs, supported by real-time GPS-enabled monitoring. The entire process from evidence submission to verification is fully digital, transparent, and rigorously quality checked. Following the release of the toolkit, the field assessments are expected to begin from mid-February to March 2026. The GFC and ODF certification assessment will also commence from mid-February 2026. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban stands as a testament to a world's largest Jan Andolan, with Swachh Survekshan at its heart, amplifying the voice of every citizen. It has evolved beyond a city ranking exercise into a powerful platform that empowers citizens as equal stakeholders, fostering ownership, accountability, and pride. As a race to become the cleanest city intensifies, Swachh Survekshan continues to strengthen a robust ecosystem of feedback and grievance redressal, transforming cleanliness into a shared national aspiration and a matter of collective pride. The next topic for the day is Ministry of Textiles convenes the first coordination committee meeting of textile research associations. The Ministry of Textiles today convened the first coordination committee meeting of Textile Research Association at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, under the gracious presence of Union Minister of Textiles Shri Giriraj Singh and under the chairpersonship of Secretary Srimati Neelam Shami Rao, marking a significant step towards strengthening coordination, effectiveness and outcome orientation of textile research and development activities in the country. The meeting was attended by senior officers of the ministry, senior representatives of textile research associations, EPCs, IIT Delhi amongst others. It was a full day rigorously brainstorming meeting. The committee deliberated on a strategic role of textile research associations in advancing fiber science, technical textiles, sustainability and innovation-led growth. Emphasis was planned on a research for industry approach with focused discussions and strengthening centers of excellence, particularly in the areas of sustainability and recycling. Key areas included upgradation of laboratory infrastructure to global standards, promotion of industry-driven and application-oriented research, development of sustainable and circular textile solutions, and formulation of a coordinated national textile research framework. The ministry also highlighted the growing importance of smart textiles and emphasized enhanced research through convergence with the other government R&D initiatives, including schemes under CSIR and collaboration with academic institutions for effective knowledge dissemination. Emerging applications such as predictive modeling, eco-efficient material blends, electronic fibers and advanced e-textile systems for healthcare, defense, intelligent environments were discussed. Flagship government initiatives such as National Technical Textiles Missions, PM Mitra Parks, and various export promotion and support schemes were highlighted as key enablers for driving innovation, improving competitiveness, and positioning India as a global leader in the textile sector. The meeting concluded with a shared resolve to strengthen coordination among TRAS and the leverage research, innovation, and collaboration to support the long term growth and global positioning of the Indian textile industry. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.